I just edited that transition in 1 second without a computer. If you're a one-man show and you're struggling getting content out, this video is for you. Howdy, my friends, and welcome back to Creating Change. Today I'm going to show you the pause button hack, and I'm going to introduce you to my new AI friend, Ask Studio, so that you can see how to narrow down your workload as well. All right, my friends, now that we're over here in the studio, let's take a quick look at what we've got going on here, guys. All right, so here, what you're going to see, this is my personal page right here. We're on my in the YouTube studio part. Up here, you see this little star button here. That's your Ask Studio, right? Hit that. Okay. Now, this thing right here, it's already provided for you guys. I mean, this thing, you can ask it about your title, you can ask it about description, you can ask it about video ideas, and it's actually going through your content. So I'm gonna just show you, like, for example, right? So, can you help me craft an intro that hooks folks, that makes them watch longer? Okay. So it says creating a compelling intro is about the hook, value, and vibe. For your channel, your vibe is already strong. You're authentic, supportive, and all about those good vibes. To get folks to watch longer, we need to grab their attention in the first 10 to 15 seconds by showing them exactly what nugget of wisdom they're going to walk away with. Here are 2 intro scripts for the pause button and AI video designed to hook your audience, right? So it come up with 2 options. The result first hook is highly recommended. Starts with magic trick to prove value immediately, right? So it gives you the idea of how to start it. Start the video with a jump cut using the pause button. I've said it for a long time, man. That's one way to easily edit and get some different views, and I encourage you to do it, man. It seems like that's popular in videos, not mine necessarily, just it's popular either way. But using that pause button, and then I want you guys to understand that this thing is here, guys. It goes through your channel, your comments, the things that your people are discussing with you, the things that you're talking about. It has a personal relationship with you by proxy. It is there in your studio. It has your stuff, your information, and it's looking through your videos, and it's trying to understand, and it does understand what your content's about. And there is nothing wrong with using the tools that's at your disposal, guys. It's here, so why not use it? It'll help you come up with your title, it'll help you come up with your hashtags, it'll help you come up with your description, it'll help you come up with the script, it'll help you come up with everything you need to be able to grow. You can ask it, what do I need to do better on my channel? Or what would be a great topic for me to discuss according to my comments? And it will literally go through and it will do that for you. And like, it'll give you pro tips, like right here, pro tip for retention. Try to keep your channel intro, the welcome, to under 5 seconds. I mean, it knows what it's talking about, guys. So, that's where I'm coming from with it. I want everybody to understand that it's about using the tools that's at your disposal. It's not cheating. There's nothing morally wrong with that. It is provided to you, and I guarantee you that all the other people that are familiar with it and have given it a chance are using it. I have just now started digging into that side of AI. I've been using ChatGPT, and I've been using Gemini, and I've been using Claude. Been learning to use the Canva and all those things through AI, which is great. I want to know a little bit about them, but this is on your page. It is tied to your YouTube channel. It will answer your questions. So if you're struggling trying to figure out what would be a great topic, ask it. If you're struggling with your descriptions, ask it to help you. If you're struggling with titles, if you're struggling with videos, if you're struggling with the first hook, if you're whatever it is, ask it. It's there. It is a tool that's provided to you to help you. And what I like most about it is tied directly to your content. So it like it brought up some surprising things, like, like the good vibes, and like specific comments that were made about certain things, about this being a nugget, or of wisdom nugget or something. I mean, it knew comments that were made, and I remember seeing a comment about something like that in my comment section. So, guys, this is my way of throwing out that kind of knowledge that I feel like that takes a one-man show and really does super simplify things as far as getting certain aspects ready. And you could even take it and be able to schedule out. You can do so much. There's so many. I haven't even dug in as much as I should. I'm going to. I'm gonna really dig in on this one, and I'm gonna keep the conversation going through the AI Copilot in your YouTube studio, on your YouTube channel. It is yours to use. It's free. Doesn't cost a dime. You work hard to do this stuff. You might as well use the tools that's available for you. I encourage you to. But that's just me throwing it out there, guys. That I don't find nothing anything wrong with doing it. There's nothing morally wrong with using things to help you get better and to help you understand what you need to do better, right? Why keep floundering around? That's how I started looking at things. Is I looked at myself personally, and I'm like, okay, I have got to make a change. Now I'm only going to change certain things, but it's not about changing the core of who you are. It's about changing the approach to the core, right? Maybe instead of trying to take such a little bite, maybe take a bigger bite and get people to the center a little bit quicker. So, guys, use the Ask the Copilot in your YouTube studio, man. It'll take you a long way with design, with title, description, all those things. And don't forget to use that pause button, my friends. It breaks up, it breaks up things so easy for you, and you don't have to spend a whole lot of time editing. So I just encourage you, have some fun with it, play, have a good time. Most importantly, share your message. Good vibe. Always good vibes to you guys, my beautiful people. If you look right up here, there's going to be a video showing you how to do some of these things. Check it out, guys.